Okay, we're gonna do this like quick 15 minutes. Why do I think there's someone in that car? There's no one in the car. Um, Usually because like in the morning time when we get our meds, a lot of times during the week, the people that are supposed to take care of us, they usually park and then they like stay in their car. That's probably why I'm thinking that. But let's eat, shall we? We got these again like last time. Really good purchase. If you have a Trader Joe's near you, if you have a one up on the, if you have a voice, go to your city council, go stuff like that, and pitch the idea that you should have a Trader Joe's in your town. Because I think every small town should have a Trader Joe's. It's such a small, um, sorry, my face got tense. Um, yeah. I think every small town should have a Trader Joe's because they're so small that they don't always need extra room. Like, where would they put extra stuff, and shelves and stuff like that? So, I mean, I haven't been in Canby in a long time just because I've been really loving this house that they put me in. And it's in Happy Valley, Oregon. If you want to visit me, you can visit me at Athey Creek. I was just watching Lakewood. That's why I came up. You could meet me at Athey Creek Church in Westland, Oregon. This is one of the most popular churches in Oregon, let alone America, right now, because they told Kay Brown to shove it up her sun don't shine area. Yeah. Okay, I'll talk softer. And she was saying that I was being loud. Loud. Really? Ananda? You too now? Eric and I always shake our heads with that stuff because you can't expect somebody to sleep for so long and be quiet so long. Things have to be said, conversations have to be had, talk has to talk. You don't need to argue, you just need to talk. So I'll be quiet and eat. I only have 15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes now. So how were you feeling about the election? Because I got my own thoughts. You like to see the birdies right behind my head. Oh, it's gone. Ooh. Yeah. Like I said, every small town needs a Trader Joe's. It's okay, you can go in all day. I'll take it down. I'll tell you one thing. I've heard the complaints of the people in this house. They don't like being treated. I don't either. I don't like being treated as a baby. It might come off like Donald Trump and um, prefer to be. Y'all pray for me that I never get kicked out of this house. If anything should happen, I should be left in this house until Trump comes and gets me. It's just not right to hate on people. And by the way, Trump, I'm gonna put this out there. We have an Oktoberfest coming up here in Happy Valley, Oregon, and I'm gonna need y'all to show up and show out. Right before the election, too. Pushing it. My neighbor has a lot of people visiting them. Gotta take a shower. Gotta get ready for church. I usually take short showers, so I do my best. Yeah. I don't think Alonzo and the people, some of the people that run this house know the truth. May the truth set you free. Diversion language. God's language, really. It'll be fine. You need to get out pretty early anyways. I usually get out of the shower like 7:35, maybe 7:40, so I can push it. It usually takes me about 5 minutes to get ready anyways, because I don't do a whole lot for church. Then put a comb through my hair after the shower, and then comb through my hair after the shower, and then what was I gonna say? Comb through my hair after the shower, put the headband on, and once I put the headband on, everything's fine. Everything is set. And I walk out of the bathroom like a G. Come on, there should be a hard part to this thing. Okay, one thing about is I don't have a napkin. I thought I did. I threw it away. Whoops, we're not all perfect. Sometimes you gotta lick your fingers, folks. It's fine. Everyone's fine. Everyone's Yeshua. Ow. Oh, great. Luckily, I'm taking a shower after this with a new dress. Well, the previous owner took care of. Thank God for fresh, new, stinking clothes. I'm sorry, Angelina, but it'll dry. It's just water. They should. Foster parents should totally get to know their kids before they ever let them in the house. No, we let them get in the house, but we're gonna sit down with them and talk. Like, where did you come from before this? You know, well, it's just respect. And my foster parents never sat down with me and got to know me, got to know my likes, my dislikes. You know what makes me tick. Never. Call out on national YouTube. Yeah. I mean, we're good and we're doing good, and they work with me. They've been working with me, and they're never looking forward to letting me go. Like my mom tries to prophesy. I'm sure tomorrow to pray with my mom. So she to go to Texas and see that hormone havoc book. Right, I forgot the lady's name. I think I'm pretty satisfied. I don't need to eat that much. Oh, nobody's trying to talk in my video. I'm trying to have Donald Trump's teeth, and it's hard. I don't. Nothing makes me tick more than having bad teeth. Thank you so much, my mom and dad. My dad put caps on our teeth when we were young. I don't know what that means, essentially. Layman's terms. I can open this. What made this stuff so hard to open? Excuse me. If you're a boy watching, you know you do it too. I know. How did it? I sometimes wonder if the Lord is like, how did you grow breasts when you probably have had PCOS for too long? I mean, my dad did feed us really well. At least me. We always went to grandma and grandpa's house. I ate there. I don't remember eating too much at my dad's. We ate, but not that much. Where's that bird? Here in Oregon, we have a lot of crows. I guess it's just like the cool weather because they're black, so the sun bothers them. I don't know. God just wanted me to be here. Oh, gotta go. I can wait. 15 minutes yet. I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna go, okay, guys? It's gonna be short. Well, guys, I better end off here. It got to be a short mukbang, just because like I woke up and then I wanted to look at my phone and see what YouTube was talking about. Just trying to be a YouTuber. It's not been easy because nobody wants to help me with Google AdSense. I'm like, why doesn't Nina Santiago fly up here and help me with Google AdSense? There's a peephole place near by my house. Like, it's usually about within 20 minutes of a drive. I think it's like 10-15 minutes of a drive. I'm like, you want to come over and do your thing, and I'll do my thing, and you can help me with Google AdSense. I can trust a stripper around my husband. That's all I have to say. I just don't trust my husband with the stripper. So if you're out there and you know Google AdSense, hit me up. I leave my email down below, and I gotta go take a shower because church is upon us. So, bye, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. Yeah, because I hope that I get blessed. That's why I say that. Because I want to be a wife and a mom. That's what I've always desired and dreamed of my whole life. So, Trump Jr., where you at? And did you really comment to me overnight? It's just on Rumble, there's just a lot of garbage, and on YouTube, that just doesn't apply. So, for the most part. So, goodbye, y'all, and have a blessed day.